how to find email address settings on Shopify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email address easy and quick. First open your browser and then click on your profile here in top corner, and now once you're here click on your profile, click manage accounts, and as you see here you will find your account details. Now you can manage here email, just click update, and that's it. Type your new email here and then type your account password, your Shopify password here, and that's it. Then just click change email, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.